Hi Jennifer,
Hi Bernard.
how are you?
Hi, thank you.
So you're part of the Made in Excel Our Girls program.
Yes.
How's the journey been so far?
Okay, so the journey has been educative. Exciting, meeting new people, learning new things. I think it has really added up to our knowledge.
Fantastic. So what exactly have you learned so far?
Okay, so I've learned data cleaning, data transformation, displaying data on a dashboard, and other Excel shortcuts which has come in handy to me.
Great. I mean, part of the goals of the training is to use the knowledge, either in your career or to impact your community. What are your intentions and expectations after?
Okay, so I've started using what I've learned here at work. So I'm a finance executive. So I use the Power Query knowledge and Power Pivot to summarize some data that I have to work on. So like doing the trial balance and calculating revenue for a period and categorizing them. Yes, and I've also started to teach my colleagues at work the whole process, and it has come in very handy and helpful. So I'm grateful.